pMobile Review 2025. Is this the best low-cost mobile network? pMobile promises affordable mobile service in 2025, but is it really worth switching? pMobile offers pay-as-you-go and low-cost plans with nationwide coverage. Most people get this wrong. They assume budget networks sacrifice speed or reliability, but pMobile runs on major carrier infrastructure, giving solid and expanding coverage. You won't believe what happens next. It also includes flexible data options, rollover features, and easy online management, which is perfect for light to moderate users. Signing up is simple. No long contracts, hidden fees, or credit checks are required for most plans. pMobile also supports family plans and multiple devices, making it versatile for different households. There are some trade-offs. International roaming is limited and network speed can vary in rural areas compared to premium providers. Customer support is mostly digital, so if you prefer in-person service, this might be a downside. So, is pMobile the best low-cost network? For budget-conscious users looking for flexibility and decent coverage, it's an excellent choice. Heavy data users or frequent international travelers might need alternatives. The surprising truth is that in 2025, affordable mobile networks like pMobile can rival traditional carriers in reliability and convenience, making budget plans smarter than ever.